Grilled chicken salad with avocado and acacia fiber. Ingredients: 1 boneless, skinless chicken breast. 2 1 tablespoon olive oil. 3 salt and pepper to taste. 4 cups mixed greens, spinach, arugula, lettuce. 5 1 ripe avocado sliced. 6 1 small cucumber sliced. 7 1 medium carrot grated. 8 4 cup red onion thinly sliced. 9 1 4 cup cherry tomatoes halved. 10 1 tablespoon acacia fiber powder, vital fiber 1. 11 1 lemon juiced. 12 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. Instructions: marinate and grill the chicken. 1 preheat the grill to medium-high heat. 2 rub the chicken breast with olive oil, salt, and pepper. 3 grill the chicken for 6-7 minutes on each side, or until fully cooked and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees or 75 degrees C. 4 remove from the grill and let it rest for 5 minutes, then slice it thinly. Prepare the salad. 1 in a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, cucumber, carrot, red onion, and cherry tomatoes. 2 sprinkle the acacia fiber powder over the salad and toss well to evenly distribute the fiber. Make the dressing. 1 in a small bowl, whisk together the lemon juice and balsamic vinegar. 2 season with salt and pepper to taste. Assemble the salad. 1 place the sliced chicken breast and avocado on top of the mixed greens. 2 drizzle the lemon balsamic dressing over the salad. Toss gently to combine all the ingredients. Serve. 1 divide the salad into 2 portions and serve immediately. Nutritional information per serving: 1 calories 350, 2 carbohydrates 18 g, 3 fiber 10 g, 4 protein 28 g, 5 fat 20 g, 6 glycemic index GI low, 7 glycemic load GL 6. This salad is a balanced meal with lean protein, healthy fats, and plenty of fiber, making it a great option for managing blood sugar levels. Enjoy your healthy and delicious lunch.